everyone and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl and today we will discuss about how to earn up to $65 just by scrolling and watching a video. Imagine being able to make $0.50 by liking or commenting on a video, and then imagine being able to do it on both your computer and your mobile phone. Isn't that amazing? You only need a few minutes out of your day to accomplish these jobs and earn up to $65 every day in a matter of minutes. You can get paid via PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and a variety of other methods. This strategy is completely new and not many people are aware of it. So we will be teaching you everything you need to know. If you stick around until the end, we'll give you a bonus tip that will help you make an extra $50 every day on top of the $65 we promised without having to do any work at all. If you want to learn more, make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to the end so you don't get confused with today's strategy, and make sure you don't skip any crucial information because if you do, you won't achieve the intended results. To begin, open your default browser and type paidwork.com into the search bar, then press enter. As you can see, you may generate money online using your phone, computer, or tablet and get paid wherever you are. You can download it on both Android and iOS smartphones, so there's no need to be concerned about that. Turn your spare time into cash. The adaptability of the solution is one of the advantages. Paid work is a full-time or part-time job for people from various walks of life. You can make money using any device that has internet access, no matter where you are. You will be compensated for the time spent on the platform. Everything is under your control. You can earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts and then collecting your earnings. By following these extremely simple instructions, you can make up to $150 in a month. There are no additional taxes or fees. However, your earnings are unrestricted. You choose your own working hours and can earn more than $150. How can paid work assist you? You can earn money on paid work anywhere you are, on the bus, at work, at school, at the salon, or even in the bathroom. Spend no time on Facebook or other social media sites. All you need is a mobile device and internet access. You can develop goals for yourself, focusing on your strengths and what works best for you. On paid work, there are 4 ways to make money, each with a unique feature that may appeal to you. To earn a lot of money, you need to put a lot of effort and time. Playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, and online shopping are all the ways to make money on this website. There's only one website, but there are a lot of different ways to make money. To sign up, simply click sign up in the upper right corner, which should take you to this page. Simply enter your email address and password. Then proceed to the next stage, where you'll enter your first and last name, complete the registration process, and that's it. You should be directed to your dashboard right away. You can check your expected profits for today, yesterday, and the previous week, and the previous month, as well as your balance. Are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve your financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Before you can begin working, there are a few things you must complete. First, you must verify your email address. To do so, go to your email inbox and find an email that looks similar to this. Then click on Verify Account, which will open a new tab that will take you to your validated paid work account. We now want you to click on the Earn button on the left side of your screen where you can select your earning method. So first and foremost, we'll go through the first technique of earning, which is watching videos. So go ahead and click the Earn button under the Watch Videos area and you should see these 2 options pop up, but you must be on your mobile device to choose. Anyway, or you can just click on what's given or available. And all you have to do now is scroll and move around as much as you can just to prove you're not a bot. And once you've done that and you've been on the page long enough, you've scrolled long enough, boom, your work will be credited and you can actually earn money from it. That money will be deposited into your account as soon as possible. When you're done scrolling, go back to the Earn button that we initially clicked on. You might end up in a random video, which you'll have to press play and watch. Make sure to stay until the timer expires so that it will be recorded and credited, and you'll earn the money that you're supposed to earn. Then make sure you like the video, share it, and by the way, leave a comment. You can also profit from this. as well as the other 3. So at this point, you're already making money from scrolling through a bunch of sites, staying on a page for a certain length of time, and also making money from watching these videos. You can change the settings to 720 quality and 4 times speed. You'll be able to watch it much faster this way, and it will be recorded so you can earn money from it. And you'll also be able to leave your engagement, which include things from commenting on this video, clicking share, copying the link and posting it on forums, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, Pinterest, and other places. And you're making money just from those 3 things, which will all fall under the category of watching videos, scrolling, watching, and leading on engagement. So you have 3 different ways to earn under one primary source of income, which is amazing. Now we come to our final approach, which is the bonus approach we mentioned earlier, which is to refer people. So simply click on the referral program, which can be found on the left side of the screen, and it will lead you to your own unique link, which you can copy and post across all social media platforms. You can earn as much money as you want automatically. You may be earning half of what your referrals are getting, depending on what the payout is made. And that is everything. What do you think about this tutorial? Please share them in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all of the videos we will be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for this video. If you learned anything new, please leave a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. And get financially smart with your Clever Money Girl. See ya!